Hello, I'd like to welcome you to this presentation, a comparison of learning management systems. My name is Christina Grijalva. I'm a registered health information administrator with over 18 years experience in healthcare and 8 years teaching in higher education. Today I will be reviewing and comparing 4 learning management systems, highlighting their advantages and disadvantages. Selection considerations. When preparing to adopt a learning management system, or LMS, an institution needs to conduct a needs analysis to determine the goals of the organization and the required and desired functionality and features of a system. This mind map shows just a few of the features that should be considered. For instance, does the institution want to use software that is fully hosted in the cloud by the LMS vendor? Or will the institution self-host the software on their own web servers? The institution needs to consider whether they have the necessary technical staff and resources to support their decision. This will make a difference on cost and maintenance of the product. The institution also needs to consider what features are important. Is it ease of use, the ability to customize the look and functions of the software, accessibility for diverse learners, or mobile accessibility? Are performance and learning analytics and reporting a requirement for the institution? These should all be taken into consideration. A best practice is to use an LMS evaluation tool that allows an institution to identify required and desired features and functionality and to assign a weight or score to each item. Using such a tool will help the institution to make an informed decision in the selection process. For this presentation, I have selected the following 4 learning management systems: Blackboard Learn by Anthology, Canvas by Instructure, D2L Brightspace by D2L, and Moodle by Moodle. Blackboard Learn advantages include a robust feature set, user course and file management, where institutions can manage user profiles and access to the LMS, and instructors can manage and organize course content and resource files for their courses. Content creation, where instructors can create, organize, and manage course content in a central repository and share resources and materials among other faculty and courses. Communication tools such as announcements, messages, discussion boards, and notifications to facilitate interaction between instructors and students, and analytics, which enable instructors to monitor student engagement, track student performance, and allow the institution to make data-driven decisions. Other advantages are scalability. Blackboard Learn can be used by small and large educational institutions. And community and support. Blackboard has a strong community and support network. Some of the disadvantages to this LMS are a steep learning curve for both instructors and students. Getting acquainted with its features and capabilities may take some time. Cost can be expensive for smaller institutions with limited budgets. There are ongoing maintenance expenses which add to the cost. And performance issues. Blackboard Learn has experienced performance issues such as slow loading times and system glitches. These issues can disrupt the learning experience and frustrate students. Customization complexity is a disadvantage. Customizing the platform to align with specific institutional needs requires advanced technical skills. Canvas advantages include user-friendly interface that makes navigation easy for faculty and students. Customization. Canvas allows for extensive customization. Instructors can create their courses to suit their teaching style, and institutions can integrate multiple third-party tools. Mobile accessibility. Canvas works well on many devices, including tablets and smartphones. Robust analytics and reporting enables instructors and administrators to track student performance, engagement, and progress. Some of the disadvantages include cost. The Canvas LMS can be expensive for smaller institutions with limited budgets. There are ongoing maintenance expenses. Technical requirements can be a barrier for administrators setting up and maintaining the system and for instructors creating and managing online courses. Instructor learning curve. Getting acquainted with Canvas's features and capabilities can take a bit of time. Offline functionality is limited. Canvas does provide some access to offline material, but it is primarily designed for online use. This can be a drawback in areas with unreliable internet connectivity. D2L Brightspace advantages include a user-friendly interface which allows for easy navigation. Customization. Brightspace is highly customizable, and this flexibility allows instructors to create content, assessments, and activities that align with their teaching style and objectives. Assessments and analytics. Instructors can create various types of assessments and gain insights into student performance. Brightspace prioritizes accessibility and offers mobile-friendly features. Disadvantages to Brightspace include cost. The D2L Brightspace can be expensive, especially for smaller institutions with limited budgets. Licensing fees and ongoing maintenance costs can be significant, which may deter potential users. The learning curve. While D2L Brightspace is user-friendly, there can still be a learning curve for instructors who are new to the platform. Becoming proficient in using all of its features and tools may require some time and training. Limited third-party integrations. While the platform does offer integration options, the selection of third-party integrations may be more limited compared to some other LMS options. This could be a drawback if an institution relies heavily on specific external tools or applications. Customization complexity. Customizing the platform to align with specific institutional needs or teaching styles may require advanced technical skills. Moodle advantages include cost. Moodle is an open source LMS and it is free to use. It also has regular improvements and updates that are pushed out automatically so users do not have to schedule updates. It is customizable so instructors can design courses to meet their specific needs, including customizing the appearance and integrating third-party tools. Community and support. Online resources, forums, and user-contributed plugins and themes are available. The community is strong and can be a valuable resource for troubleshooting and sharing best practices. Security and privacy. Moodle places a strong emphasis on data security and privacy. Moodle disadvantages include customization complexity. Though highly customizable, technical expertise is required for setup and maintenance. User interface is not user-friendly. Navigating the system is not intuitive. Moodle has limited out-of-the-box features. It has basic core functionality out of the box, but installation of plugins is required to expand usability features. Updates may require adjustments to customizations and may lead to compatibility issues with third-party plugins. Updates may require significant effort, testing, and adjustments to maintain the stability and security of the system. Feature highlights. All four of these learning management systems have these features. They are One EdTech certified. By going through a rigorous validation process to become certified, these learning management systems assure users their products meet certain quality standards and can be trusted for effective educational purposes, giving these products a competitive edge in a saturated LMS market. All four of these LMSs have features for managing user data, consent management, and data retention policies. They have reporting and analytics tools to track student progress, identify areas of improvement, and make data-driven decisions. And all four of these LMS align with European Union's General Data Protection Regulation requirements, which govern data protection and privacy for individuals within the European Union, and they offer a GDPR-compliant data protection agreement. Core principles. This is a table of the core principles for each learning management system reviewed. Each LMS is founded and developed around core principles. These principles may be a determining factor in the educational institution's decision in selecting an LMS if they find they like several different systems. The principles are displayed in the order of priority in which the LMS listed them. This table informs us as to the way the company prioritizes their core principles. I'd like to point out that in the top half of this table, accessibility, learner-centered design, and interoperability appear across all the lists. Ultimately, the decision to use any LMS should be based on a careful assessment of the institution's specific needs, technical capabilities, and resources. If needed, understanding the core principles of the LMS may help the educational institution select the best LMS that aligns with the institution's own mission and vision. This wraps up the presentation. References used for this presentation may be found on the next slide. I would like to take a few minutes to answer any questions that may have come to mind. If there are no questions, I would like to thank you for joining me today. If you would like a copy of the slide presentation, please feel free to contact me via email. I have listed my email on this slide.